In this problem, we are given an array of integers called nums, and the task is to write an optimized algorithm with a time complexity of O of log n to identify the positions in the array where peak elements are located. A peak element is defined as an integer that is strictly larger than its neighboring elements. For example, in the array nums equals 1103564, the function should return 5 because nums of 5 equals 6, and that is greater than both nums of 4 that equals 5 and nums of 6 that equals 4. To achieve the required time complexity, we can use the binary search technique. This method is effective because it reduces the search space by half with each step, ensuring that the algorithm runs in logarithmic time. We start by initializing two variables, left and right, which represent the bounds of the search range. Left is set to the beginning of the array, and right is set to the end of the array. As long as the condition left is less than right is true, we continue searching through the nums array. At each iteration, we calculate the middle index of the current search range and store it in the variable mid using the formula int mid equals left plus right minus left all divided by 2. Next, we compare the middle element with its right neighbor. If the middle element nums of mid is greater than its right neighbor nums of mid plus 1, there is a possibility of finding a peak on the left side of the current range, including the mid element. Therefore, we adjust the right boundary to mid. If nums of mid is less than or equal to nums of mid plus 1, it indicates that a peak might be present on the right side of the current range, excluding the mid element. Thus, we adjust the left boundary to mid plus 1. This process is repeated until the search range becomes empty, which happens when left is no longer less than right. To illustrate how this works, let's walk through an example of nums equals 1103564. We initialize left with 0 and right with 6, making the initial search range 0, 6. In the first iteration, we calculate mid as 3 and compare nums of mid, which is 3, with nums of mid plus 1, which is 5. Since 3 is not greater than 5, we move the left boundary to mid plus 1, making the new search range 4, 6. In the second iteration, we calculate mid as 5 and compare nums of mid, which is 6, with nums of mid plus 1, which is 4. This time, 6 is greater than 4, so we move the right boundary to mid, making the new search range 4, 5. In the third iteration, we calculate mid as 4 and compare nums of mid, which is 5, with nums of mid plus 1, which is 6. At this point, the left is less than right condition is no longer true, so the loop terminates. The value at the left index, which is 5, is returned as it indicates the position of the peak element in the original array. This example demonstrates how binary search efficiently narrows down the search interval by having it at each step, which enhances the efficiency of the peak finding process. The problem of finding a peak element in an array can be efficiently solved using the binary search technique. By leveraging two boundaries left and right, we continually adjust the search range based on the comparison of the middle element with its neighbors. This ensures that the algorithm operates with a time complexity of O of log n, making it well suited for large arrays. The binary search method is particularly advantageous for search and selection problems in ordered or partially ordered collections, offering a robust and elegant solution for identifying peak elements in an array. After implementing the code, it's essential to test it to ensure its correctness. Keep in mind that exploring different implementations or trying other algorithms can further enhance your problem-solving skills and deepen your understanding of this technique.